Can you explain queues collection with real life analogy? In previous video, we learned how collections are similar to Avengers team. In this video, we will learn about queues using same analogy. Imagine the Avengers. It's a team of superhero who lives in Avengers Tower. Whenever an emergency situation arises, Iron Man and Jarvis need to decide which superhero to send on this mission. Jarvis used to send Thor and Hulk on big mission like fighting Thanos, and the other Avengers like Captain America and Spider-Man on smaller mission like fighting thieves. But wait, Captain America and Spider-Man wants to join big mission too. So Jarvis come up with a neat plan. Every morning all the Avengers meet in a hall. First hero there gets the first mission. It's like a line, and this strategy is called as first in first out strategy. One morning Thanos attack Earth. Avengers gather, and since Captain America is first in a hall, he gets the mission to stop Thanos. When another problem comes up, this time with Loki, Spider-Man, who was right after Captain America, gets this mission. We can use Jarvis FIFO strategy in programming using queues. Queues is like a line where first thing that goes in is the first thing that comes out. For example, if we are storing Captain America, Spider-Man, Thor and Iron Man in a queue, when we take things out, Captain America will be first to go, just like he was first in. There are many real world applications of a queue, like when you wait in a line of a restaurant. That's a queue. The person who gets there first gets served first. Queues are implemented in Java using queue interface.
Now let's see how we can use a built-in queue interface in a Java. The queue interface is present in java.util package. So we have to import it first. Since the queue is interface, we have to implement the queue first. There are three ways to implement the queue. First is linked list implementation, second is array dequeue implementation, and third is a priority queue. So while defining the queue, we can select which implementation we want for that queue. In today's video, we will use linked list implementation. To define a queue, just create an object of a queue class and with the data type mentioned in angular bracket, and after equal to operator use constructor for linked list class. Now your queue is ready to use. So let's assume we got an order from Ross, Monica and Rachel. So we will add Ross, Monica and Rachel into queue. We can use add function to add into queue. If you print the queue, then you will find that Ross is in the front of queue, or you can use peek function to check who is in the front of queue. Now suppose the first order for pizza is ready. So we will deliver that order to Ross and remove him from the queue. The remove function is used to remove the data from queue. Now our chef is preparing order for Monica, which is now at the front of queue. If Chandler places an order, then we will add him into queue. Now the second pizza is ready. Then we will deliver it to Monica and remove her from the queue. And same, when third pizza is ready, we will deliver it to Rachel and remove her from a queue. When fourth pizza is ready, then we will deliver it to Chandler and remove him from the queue. Now our queue is empty, which means we have delivered all the orders. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.